Welcome to Design Key Builders. My name is Terry Muigai and today we are in Kitengela. I'll be taking you through the process of construction of a 4-bedroom Maisonette seated on a 40 by 80 square meters plot of land. For this project, the initial process of laying the foundation was very important because we had to excavate all the black cotton soil and cut it away. This is because of the shrinkage and swelling nature of black cotton soil. When dry, it is hard, but it loses its strength completely, which therefore results in the development of cracks in the house once it is complete. For this house, we have also done reinforcement for the foundation footing and column bases as well to create a sustainable foundation base. I am currently in one of the bedrooms of this house, which is a guest room, which is on the ground floor. The period for completion of our project is 5 months, and currently we are only 2 weeks old. And another thing about whatever we are doing is that our walling will not be the standard 10 courses. We will do 11 courses. The 10 courses sums up to 2.4 meters high, but this, whatever we are doing, 11 courses, sums up to 2.7 meters high. I will tell you why. Count with me the 11 courses. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. We are doing 11 courses because we need to support the gypsum decoration, which we are going to do at the end of the construction. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will keep you updated every week concerning the construction of this one particular house. Share, like, and subscribe.